Good afternoon, student. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In this video, we discuss the theoretical concept of our practical computer network and component. In this video, we discuss some points, that is cable, connectors, router, switches and Ethernet. Now, first we discuss cable. There are three types of cable. First, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable and fiber optic cable. Let's discuss one by one. Coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is a type of transmission line used to carry high frequency electric signal with a low losses. Types. There are two types of coaxial cable, single core and multi-core. A single core coaxial cable use single central metal, usually copper conductor, and a multi-core coaxial cable use a multiple thin standard of metal wires. This is the diagram of coaxial cable, types of coaxial cable, single core and multi-core also. This is the single core, first one and the second one is the single core and this is the multi-core. Next, twisted pair cable. A twisted pair cable is primarily designed and developed for computer network. The twisted pair cable, also known as Ethernet cable, it is mostly used in LAN. There are two types of twisted pair cable. First, shielded twisted pair cable and second, unshielded twisted pair cable. In shielded twisted pair cable, all pairs are wrapped with an additional metal shield, then all pairs are wrapped in single outer plastic sheet. Okay? And in the unshielded twisted pair cable, all the pairs are wrapped in a single plastic sheet only. This is the diagram of twisted pair cable. We can see that these are the pins and there is a folded or screen which is shielded by the metal, and this is the coaxial plastic cover. Next, this diagram shows the unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. You can see in diagram these pins are not covered by any plastic sheet. So it is unshielded twisted pair cable and these pins are shielded with a plastic sheet. So this is the type of shielded twisted pair cable. Okay, let go move. Fiber optic cable. Next type of cable is fiber optic cable. A fiber optic cable is a network cable that contains standards of glass fiber inside a insulated casing. They are designed for long distance, high performance data networking and telecommunication. By using this type of optical fiber cable, we can design long distance communication. Our performance make high, and data networking can be make a simple, and telecommunication also goes easierly. Compared to a wired cable, fiber optic cable provide higher bandwidth and transmit data over a longer distance. Fiber optic cable support much of the world internet, cable television and telephone systems also. This is the diagram of fiber optic cable. In this, inner layer is a glass core, then next layer is calding, and then strength member coating, and then outer jacket is of plastic. This is the diagram of or example of fiber optic cables. The types of fiber optic cables we can see here. First, outdoor cables. Next, indoor premium. Third, outdoor aerial cable with the messenger. And last, indoor outdoor cables. Next, connector. An electrical connector is an electromechanical device used to join electrical conductor and create an electric circuit. Most electrical conductor have a gender, that is male component called plug and connect to the female component or socket. That means the male component is called as plug, and where we connect, that is socket, it is called as female component. The connection may be removable, required a tool for assembly and removal, or served as a permanent electric joint between two points. An adapter can be used to join dissimilar connectors. This is the example of number of connector or variety of connector we use in connection. Next type is router. A router is a networking device that forward data packets between computer network. Router perform the traffic direction function on the internet. Data sent through the internet, such as web page or email, is in the form of data packets. A packet is typically forwarded from one router to another router through a network that continues an internet work until it reaches its destination mode. That is the function of router. Next, operation of router. While multiple routers are used in interconnected networks, the routers can exchange information about destination address using routing protocols. Each router builds up a routing table, a list of routers between two computer systems on the interconnected networks. Application of router. A router may have interface for different types of physical layer connection, such as copper cable, fiber optic, or wireless transmission. It can also support different network layers transmission standard. Each network interface is used to enable data packets to be forwarded from one transmission system to the another. Routers may also be used to connect two or more logical groups of computer device known as subnet, each with a different network prefix. This is the example of router. This is the 3-pin router. Next is switches. A switch is a device in a computer network that connect other devices together. Multiple data cables are plugged into a switch to enable communication between different network devices. Switches manage the flow of data across a network by transmitting a received network packet only to the one or more device for which the packet is intended. Each network device connected to a switch can be identified by its network addresses. In electrical engineering, a switch is an electrical component that can be disconnect or connect the conducting path in an electrical circuit, interpreting the electric current or diverting it from one conductor to the another conductor. This is the function of switch. This is the example of switch and types of we can see here the types of switch also. SPST, SPDT, DPDT. Types of switches. You can see here the number of diagrams which shows the different types of switches. Next is Ethernet. Ethernet is a family of wired computer networking technologies commonly used in local area network, that is LAN, metropolitan area network, that is MAN, and wide area network, that is WAN. It was commercially introduced in 1980s and first standardized in 1983 as IEEE 802.3. Ethernet has since been refined to support higher bit rates, a greater number of nodes, and longer link distance, but return much backward compatibility. Over a time, Internet has largely replaced competing wired LAN technologies such as token ring, FDDI, and Ethernet. This is the Ethernet cables. We can see example of Ethernet cable. Thank you. Keep watching my video.